Today we're going to talk about consonant S. So the Spanish S is pronounced like the S in the word salt, except it is a bit shorter. So let's look at some examples here.
Listen and repeat.
Okay.
Sí,
C, yes.
simpático.
Simpático, it means nice.
Chicas,
Chicas, which means girls.
Especial,
Especial, means special.
básico,
Básico, which means basic.
ser,
Ser, which means to be.
Listen and repeat.
sí,
Sí,
simpático.
simpático.
Chicas,
Chicas,
especial,
especial.
básico.
Básico,
Ser,
ser.
Listen and repeat.
Alright, so this is from South America.
sí,
Sí,
simpático,
simpático.
chicas,
Chicas,
especial,
especial.
básico,
Básico,
ser,
ser. And this was the last one. So it looks and appears to be pretty straightforward. So it's pronounced like an S in English, but it is much shorter and it sounds the same pretty much. So the next video we'll be looking at diphthong UE. So until then, see you next time.